Now, one of the biggest reasons creators don't pitch consistently isn't because they're lazy or they don't want the work. It's because, and I personally know from experience, it can take so much time. Finding the right brand, searching for their contact details, researching a company, writing a personalized pitch, it can consume so much of your time. Then there's remembering to follow up. It can easily become a full-time job before you've even secured a brand deal. Today, I'm going to introduce you to a tool that I've recently partnered with, and it's called Persona. If you're new here, my name is Charlotte Bauer. I'm a UK-based UGC creator with over 4 years worth of experience, and I've worked with hundreds of brands to date. During my time as a creator, one thing I do know for sure is that you cannot always rely and wait on brands to find you. So yes, marketplaces can be useful and are absolutely great for just starting out, and inquiries and inbounds are amazing when you get them, but building a sustainable UGC business means you also have got to be proactive in creating your own opportunities every single day, and this usually means pitching as well. Now, as a busy mum, creator and business owner, I know that manually searching for brands and sending individual emails every day isn't realistic. I tried to do it myself for so long and I failed and failed and failed. This is why I was so interested in learning more about Persona, because if it could help me and my business, able to help my community as well. Persona, in case you don't know, is an outreach platform designed specifically for content creators. It helps you discover brands, find the relevant contacts, create more personal outreach emails, and automate parts of your pitching as well as the follow-ups as well. Now, Persona helps you discover brands, find relevant contacts, and create a more personalized outreach email, which always gets a better hit rate as well. And it automates parts of the pitching, including the follow-up process, which we all know the fortune is in the follow-up. So instead of spending hours jumping between Google or LinkedIn or spreadsheets or little notes of paper that you've got, you can manage more of the process from one single place. You can search brands that match your niche and your vibe, and the AI tool will also help curate great lists based on what they know about you as well. You can also track what's getting opened and what is actually receiving replies, so you know what to double down on as well. And most importantly, you can follow up. There's also so many other amazing tools on the platform, so you can connect with your socials and you can understand an analytics with whitelisted reports and send that on to your clients as well. It's an amazing tool. A follow on from this video is going to be a walkthrough by the Persona team, so you can actually see what the platform does. Your mind is going to be literally blown. It's going to be the tool that's going to make pitching so much easier for you as well and save a ton of time. A quick reminder, pitching doesn't give results overnight. You do have to do it consistently week after week for a good couple of months, and you will see the return on investment. Now, if you want to try it for yourself, drop the word Persona below and I will send you across my discount link, which will mean you get a great discount and use it, but there is also a free version as well.
Hey guys, it's Dave from Persona. I'm just going to quickly walk you through how to set up a email campaign using Persona. So the screen you see here is our new AI agent. Now this is really a bit of a game changer, and it allows you to find brands to pitch to very easily and quickly. So first thing I'll show you is you can either use one of our predefined templates, so prompt templates, so clicking one of these buttons, or you can type it yourself. So find me beauty brand in the US, and here. So if you click a brand, our slider will appear, which basically gives you a bit of an overview of the brand, socials. You can find its website by clicking here, and you know what industry and what customer the brand targets. But we can also refine our search. We can continue to talk to our chatbot. So now brands in LA. So this will go away and take this, refine this beauty list just to brands in LA. But you can really ask the AI any question about the brands. Now, if you want to exclude any of these brands from the campaign, you just select here. But if you want to add these brands to a campaign, you can either scroll to the bottom and click continue here, or you can click start outreach here. I'll click continue here. Great. So the AI has now created a campaign called LA Beauty Outreach. It's got 47 contacts. We can then say it looks good. Now that campaign's been created. You can either now move to the next step, which is writing the emails, or you can continue to add more brands by clicking search brands. But I'll move to the next step, which is continue setup. You then get presented with our email where we write our emails. So we have three options here. One is to write emails yourself. Two is to choose from one of our templates. So we have a whole bunch of templates you can choose from. Or three is to edit a template. So you don't need to use the template word for word. Now, importantly, if you can see these green bubbles, so these green bubbles are what we call personalization variables. And basically the way they work is that these words will automatically change as your emails are sent out to brands. So obviously that's very helpful when you're setting up a campaign with hundreds of contacts, and each person's got a different first name. So the system or the platform will automatically change the first name to the appropriate person. But we get a bit more creative with other variables like hero product. So for example, if you had a beauty campaign with one brand being a fragrance brand and another brand being a makeup brand, the fragrance brand would receive an email saying, I've been using your perfume for the past few months and it's generally become a favorite of mine. Whereas the makeup brand would receive an email saying, I've been using your lipstick for the past few months. So these words will automatically change in the system as the emails go out. So you do not need to do anything with these bubbles. But what's important is to include as many as possible. And the reason is the more you include of these, the more personalized your email will sound to the brand and the higher the probability of receiving a reply. The next thing I'll show you is our automated follow-up. So if you click this add follow-up button, it will generate an automatic follow-up. Now we recommend at least 2 to 3 follow-ups per email campaign. The reason being is about 50% of follow-ups will get closed through follow-ups. So follow-ups are very important. We recommend 3 or 4 business days between each follow-up, but that's up to you. With the follow-ups, you can write the email yourself, or you can choose one of our templates. We have follow-up specific templates. Now, what's very cool with the follow-ups is, let's say you set up an email sequence of 3 emails, so an initial and 2 follow-ups. Let's say one of the brands replies to your first email. The platform will automatically cut off any scheduled follow-ups for that brand after they've replied. So you don't need to worry about brands receiving follow-ups, automated follow-ups, if they've replied. The last thing I'll show you is if you want to add a website or media kit or portfolio, you can type /, which then prompts this box. You can then select link or media kit and hyperlink your portfolio or media kit. Once you're happy with your emails, you click next. You then choose the days and times you want your emails to go out. We recommend business hours. You then click next, and then you connect your personal Gmail account, which is super easy. Now, once you've connected your emails, you'll then be able to start campaign. Your email address, you'll be able to start campaign. All emails that are sent through Persona are sent from your personal email account. The brand has no idea that those emails are coming from Persona. Any replies you will receive in your personal Gmail app. So you don't manage replies through the platform. It's all done through your personal Gmail app.